Menteri Rengba Kejala Konrad Sangma ni dalai pa yu ya kathau sumar kanser namo ka kanser wing wa Shillong Civil Hospital ko wa ini wedap depen man kam ke COVID von he por wajur ka klam. Depen tip wa de bon ki wa daw hap open kala we de kemen wo yo ya chibun I wa de depen chna we yo luti wa ichna civil work daw ye open dep hakataya wa nangkong Kmaichonglad December uniusnem. Hayato wa wanra ya kikor wa kiwi kitiar wa themme de pentip wa daw chimpor I nei daw wa ye ni daw hable da iwituan irukom tang wa katte cho I tha wo thia ki kanthai wa chinrang wa kiwi ki wa muslim da hoy open emkam cho de pentip wa kikor wa rim ki wa da emkat ni daw pten open emkam kat wam puyo ya kitiar wa themme we daw yin no open krekam pura ya kani ka kan serving hakataya wa nangkong lani kataya wa aruk Kmaichonglad Nehi keju kesngi Konrad dalai pa yule ye kre yang ke Shillong Government College of Engineering we de yuluti ule wa yakani daw ye wa waino Muslim day.
We came to the cancer wing of the civil hospital here in Shillong to see the work going on in the cancer wing. So as you're aware that during the COVID time this was also used as a COVID center. And certain things had to be changed and overall improvement had to be made. So I am happy to see that a lot of progress has been made, and we are hopeful that by the end of the month or by the first week of December, the entire civil work that is required to make this functional will be complete. Of course, the new equipments will take some more time to come because it's being done through a different process. But in the meantime, at least the facilities, other facilities, the different wards for female and male wards and the daycare wards, they will be ready, and hence it will be ready to be used while we can still continue using the machines that were there earlier till the new machines come. So we're happy to see that it's progressing fast, and we should be able to make it fully 100% functional by the first week or second week of December.